what up, guys? It's been a minute, right? Hell yeah. I'm back. What can I say? I'm back. I got the first order already with Uber Eats, and it's a $14, 3 point something miles, going to Hoover and Wilshire. Easy. I know the building. I already know where it's going. But let me see if it's ready. By the way, it's 8:25, August 29th. It's Thursday. So let's get it. Let me go check. All right. It's a single coffee, a hot coffee too, to top it off. But let's see what's up. We're gonna try to squeeze it in as much so it doesn't tip over. Should be fine there, hopefully. All right, guys, let's go. Let me see. Is that a Colombia flag? I'm confused right now. I think so. I can't remember the colors, but it looks like it. I'm not sure though. I gotta look at the flags. But anyways, who gives a fuck? Let's go. Let me tell you what's up, guys. I ended up reaching my goal in the first weekend of August. Then I cashed out. I cashed out, went and got the motorcycle cash. I have it now, so that's cool, right? But now I'm just I ordered some parts for it because I just want to, like, I'm still waiting for the tags. So as soon as the tags come, I'm gonna ride it more. I don't know. I don't like to. I don't know. I just felt weird, like letting everybody know it's like it's a brand new like motorcycle. You know what I mean? At least with the tags, they can't tell. You know, they just think, oh, it's a. They keep it clean or whatever. But when you have those paper tags, I don't know, I think sketchy people, they're like, oh yeah, you know, that's a new bike, you know. It's more of a target, you could say. But that's just me though. I be thinking like that, you know. It's the street in me. But yeah, so I'm just waiting on the exhaust. I already got the phone holder. I got the charger, which it's like a little black ring. It doesn't even look like it. It looks like it's part of the bike. I got the fender eliminator. What else did I get? I think that's all I got. I had gotten some mirrors for it, but I didn't like them. They're too small. I couldn't see shit, so it's not good for like a big ass bike. And I already have the the tracker. Not gonna say where it's at, but I got it on that baby. So it's pretty much done. Now I'm ordering my gear, my riding gear, and my helmet. So I'm waiting on that. I already got the pants. They're pretty cool, you know. I gotta tailor them though. They're a little too long. I don't like that. But other than that, they fit fine. The padding's in place and everything. I just gotta get a hoodie because I don't know, it's like summer's almost over. I'm not sure if I should get a jacket or a hoodie because in winter I'm probably gonna have to buy a jacket. So I don't know yet, but I'm gonna go to Cycle Gear this Saturday and buy the helmet there, and then just buy either the hoodie or the jacket, because I'm not sure. I can't decide on that. And then just some riding shoes, and then I'll be all set. Yeah, and then I gotta get the whole GoPro, the whole helmet mount with the mic. Oh, fuck, I forget I have coffee. I'm fucking pulling on the throttle like like I ain't got nothing in the bag. Yeah, I'm gonna get like the whole mic inside the helmet because you know, I gotta wear that full face helmet to protect myself. You just never know, especially with a big bike. So yeah, but that I'm gonna do on Saturday because I could just go to Cycle Gear and just buy everything cash, like the jacket and the helmet. I don't want to order it. I don't want to be waiting. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm back at it for September because now we're gonna get a Harley. Nah, just play. Fuck, imagine I go out and get a Harley. Dang, that'd be dope. But nah. One more thing, I got rid of the Grom. I sold the Grom. I sold it this Monday. Yeah, Monday. I posted on Sunday, and then Monday I had like 100 people that were like bugging me to buy it. So then this guy he was just insisting, and then I was like, fuck it, then like come through tomorrow at this time. He came through, nice guy. He likes riding, so I know the Grom went to a person that actually likes riding. Because I was, you're always like sad when you sell something, and you know they're just gonna sorry, they're gonna strip it down to parts and sell the parts individually. I hate that because that's, I don't know, it's fucked up. I feel bad, you know, because that Grom made me some money too, but I just don't have the space for it. So, because I already have my car, the Ninja, and then this one, and then I had the Grom. I couldn't fit all that in the garage or in the space where I put my stuff. So yeah, I had to get rid of the Grom, and I'm just gonna keep the Monks to do the deliveries. Where am I going? 3rd Street. But yeah, guys, so you'll never see the Grom again. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. We're all caught up, so let's get this money. We're almost there. All right, guys. All right, so we're here. It's this building right here. Let me see if they're gonna let me turn. Yeah, it's a lot of cars. Upstairs and drop off real quick. All right, so we got one from Denny's from Uber Eats, $8. How many miles? It's not far. It's going to Crenshaw. Easy drop off. Let me see. It's 853. Oh, 0.9 miles from Denny's right there. Let me go grab it. Hopefully it's ready. All right, let me check. All right, so it was ready already. Let me see. It's not going too far, but let me just secure it. You just never know. Alright, let's go. This one's done. Now I got a Dunkin' Donuts. It's 1.9 miles, and it's this one's from Doordash. So let me go down south, grab that, deliver it, and then come back up. All right. Drink. Easy. Easy money. Shit. Alright, let's go. Confirm. It's not even that far away from here. Alright. Record this because it's a short trip. Let me see. I think so. Building right here, I think so. Has to be. Yep. Alright guys, let me drop off real quick. Alright, we got one from Sam's Bagels. Let me see. Sam, where you at? This one's paying $6.28, 1.3 miles. And it's gonna leave me close to the ghost kitchen, to the Organico. So that's where I want to be actually. So let me go ahead and grab this one. It's right here. And then we'll dip. Ah, the fucking parking guys is over there. Alright, let me go quick. It was ready. Got it. Please don't forget the can when I get over there. I always forget small drinks for some reason. I don't know why. But let's go. Got a Doordash from Phil's Coffee. This one's $9, 2.4 miles. It's going to, where is that? It looks like it's like around Wilton and Merrill's, probably. Yeah. So easy. I already got it. Let's go drop it off. So the drop off is around here. There's that white building right here. 521. Yep. The 10. I mean, that's a building. We got one from Uber Eats, Roscoe's Waffles and Chicken. This one's paying $9, I think. And it's going to Orange and Sunset. So yeah, 1.5 miles, 902 from Roscoe's. So let me go check if it's ready. Parking right here. It's ready. Easy. So let's just go drop off real quick and then see what's next. See, bam. All right, let's just go. All right, we're almost there. It's going to the Roosevelt. So it's right there, that hotel. Easy. I think it's for somebody that works in the lobby, I think, hopefully. All right, let me go drop it off real quick. All right, we got another one from Tamales, Veracruz. It's right here in the corner. It's going, let me see. This one's going 3.6 miles to Melrose and Waring, and it's 11:45 the payout, so should be easy. Let me go grab it. It was ready. Let's go drop it off real quick. Oh, it's my homie. Hold up. The homie with the monkey. My homie Richard. Hold up. Let me say what's up to him. I got what do you call this? A Chick-fil-A one from Doordash. Where is this one? Hold on. It's a 1250, 3.9 miles, and it's going all the way to it looks like Wilshire and Marinpal, so it's not that bad. Easy. And previous to this one, I had gotten one from Panda. I forgot to record. Let me see, which one was it? It was this one. It was 650 for 2 miles. It took me right here down by the Ghost Kitchen, and that's how I got this one. So yeah, I totally forgot about the Panda one, but we got this one. Let's go. Uber Eats is low-key kind of whack today. They're just fucking playing games today. But if DoorDash is gonna be giving me orders, who cares? So let's go. We're almost there, like a few blocks away from the spot. So let's go. Right there. Let me go drop off. Another one from DoorDash. This is $12, 3.6 miles. Burger Lounge, which is behind me. Let me U-turn and go grab that. This one's easy. Easy money. Yeah, I don't know what's up with Uber Eats. Is just being lazy. It's not many orders, so we'll take advantage with DoorDash. Alright, so we got another one for $9.69, 2.8 miles, King's Thai Food. I'm already here. It's not ready yet. She said about 5 minutes, so just waiting on that, and then we'll bounce. Alright, we got it. Oh man, I was falling asleep on the chair. I kind of heard her say the name, and I thought it was in my dream. Then I opened my eyes and I was like, oh shoot, you're at a restaurant. Yeah, I don't know, I'm just sleepy today. Maybe because it's slow, I don't know. Alright, let's go. This one's going, let me see where it's going. That's going to Vermont. Haven't been there all day. Children's Hospital, Lexington, Iron Ore. Alright, should be easy. Alright. So we got a double with DoorDash for $20. And let me pull it out. Not it. I'm sorry, it's actually $21. I thought it was $20. $21, 5 miles. It's Spitz. I already got Spitz. I gotta go to Zanku Chicken, and it's gonna go all the way to a little passing the Brea, I think, Sierra Vista, if I'm not mistaken. And I think by Melrose, or in between Melrose and Santa Monica. not sure, but we're doing it. And then one of the drop-offs is right there on Las Palmas and Fountain, so that's easy too. So let's go over there and grab the other one. Ooh, chicken was ready. Let's go ahead and drop it off now real quick. Get this $21. All right. All right, cool. Let's go, guys. So we got, well, I got another one from Uber Eats this time. We finished this one, the 21.50. Now I got one from Uber Eats. That's sidewalk grill, 2.2 miles, $13. It's literally right here, like around the block. Man, I just sat down and this shit had to go off. I was chilling. All right, let's go grab it because they're pretty quick. So let's go. So it took me a second because the manager, he was talking to me. He was asking me about some girl that used to work there that I wasn't dating her, but we were just, I guess, you know, just hanging out, I guess you could say that. But yeah, he was asking me about her, and he told me that he had to block her from social media because she was just like just a little too much. And I was like, yeah, she was a little off, but like she was a really nice person, you know. But yeah, a little too much for me. So yeah, so we're just chopping it up and catching up because I had not seen him in like months. I had not gotten an order from there, so it was cool to see him. But yeah, guys, it took a minute, but we got it. So now let's go drop it off. All right, let me just drop this one off. I already got another one too. This one's 1241 Wingstop, and it's going to like Hyperion, back to Silver Lake. So after this one, let me go back to Western, get that Wingstop, and then we'll head out. Hey, what's up? Ryan? Thank you, man. Have a good one. You got it? All right. You're welcome. Oh, well, he came out. All right, so let's go to Wingstop. That one's that way, like 2 blocks that way. I just don't want to make a left here. There's a different way to get there. All right, so I just make a left and the parking's over there. Let me get it. It's good because it has no drinks. I hate filling up my own drinks, but I got lucky today. Ooh, let's go. All right, so I got another one from Uber Eats this time. This one's actually 22.36, 7 miles from Fountain Liquor, and the second stop is California Chicken Cafe, and it's going to Glendale to Central. So it's not that bad, it's easy. So yeah, let me go ahead and grab this one because I was falling asleep early. It's been kind of slow. So yeah, let's go. And they're gonna fuck up some White Claws. Show. And some tequila. Then put the slider for that though, because you never know. You never know. Alright, let's go to California Chicken, which is up the street too. And then we go drop off. Alright guys, so something was up with my camera. I guess there is gonna be a little lane splitting on this video. I might have gotten a little better since you guys see me, and I also might have gotten a little crazier, so bear with me. Alright. That's a long line. Oh wow, that is long. Wide one. Alright, it's gonna be on this side, that's why. So yeah, pretty much we made it. That was the alcohol one, so good thing I got that one out of the way. I hate those. Sometimes they could lag a little because they have like what do you call it, a passport or some type of different ID from another state or something like that. But it went smooth, so let's go. Now we go to Glendale, you know what I mean? So let's go. All right, so it's coming up right here. It says it's where the Citibank is. I see the Citibank. Let's see. Oh, was that the parking? Damn. Ah, that was the parking. Shoot. Should I go in here? Fuck it. Let's make some noise. Just let me leave it here. Guys, so I got the last one that I'm gonna do for today. It's a $30, 60, 9.2 miles. Damn, it's kind of far. From Fat Dragon and Agro Cafe, and they're going towards like not Highland Park, Cypress Park. So that's on my way home, because once I cross over towards Glendale, towards Fletcher, and I take the back streets, that's literally like, that's gonna take me home. So that's my last one. So let's go to Fat Dragon. I think Fat Dragon is first, I think. Yeah, Fat Dragon. All right. Sometimes I see the traffic like that, and it's like I could lane split, but I just feel so lazy to do it. Like, I don't even want to do it right now. I know there's a red light, but on the other, once I cross, it's gonna be like that. But I'm kind of lazy. I might just take my time with this one. Let me see. Let's see how it looks. I tell you guys, I'm gonna leave you guys with the footage from the Honda Grom ride that happens every Friday. This was my last one because right before I sold the Grom, so and literally it was my last ride, because I mean, it's cool, but it's always the same thing, you know. They go to the same spot, so it's like, yeah, I might do it like in the future, but like going every Friday, not feeling it like that anymore. But it's fun. But I'll see when I go back again. But for now, this was my last one, and yeah, and now I don't have the Grom anymore. We have to go with the monks. All right, guys, we're here at the Fat Dragon. Let's go get the food. I'll be back. And the other one's right there, I think, on by Fountain and Sunset, where they meet. And I guess I'm gonna take Hyperion all the way to Glendale. So not a bad route. It's pretty fun. So let's go. Let me see. Let me just make sure, because I haven't been there. Oh yeah. So it's right there. Let's go. It was ready. Yeah, this Indian place is actually pretty quick. I've been to other places, and Crown of India. What's the other one? There's so many of them. The Indian. What's that one called? I forget their names, but there's a few that they take a while just to get the food out. But this one, Agro Cafe, they're pretty quick most of the time. But anyways, we got both, so let's roll. Let me see if I'm taking Hyperion. I was gonna take Griffith Park. What? All the way to... Huh. That's strange. Never been through that. Alright, cool. Let's go. Yeah, nothing fun, so I'm not gonna film anything. Alright. We're almost there. Just a minute away. It's right here. Let me drop off. So the other one's 8 minutes away from here, from the first drop off. Where the hell is it? It's going all the way to... have no idea. Let's say Sycamore Grove Park. I've never been there. El Paso. Keep going. Okay. Let me get there. Bring me to Highland Park. It's a beautiful city to work in. I like when I work this area. Oh, it was nice. The houses, the people, everything about this city is nice. Wait, you're not taking me in the highway, are you? No. Yeah, I like it over here. Oh, let's go up that dirt. Shit. It's a very old school neighborhood. 421. This one has to be 425 right here. Alright guys, let me drop off. So this is pretty much it for me. I'm gonna wrap it up. Calling it a day. I'm done. I'm going home. Final. But anyways, I want to thank you guys for being patient. I know I haven't put out any content since, I think late July or early August. My bad. You know, I've just been taking it easy. Been relaxing. But coming September, I'm going to be working more again. So I'll be putting out more videos, and I won't be as stressed out as the other time, because the other time I was kind of like, I had like a date that I had to get a certain amount of money. But this time, you know, it's just for work.